Hi, we just finished spinning class and nandito yung dalawa sa pinaka-favorite kong students. This is why I'm always excited every Wednesday to teach kasi I see their eagerness to learn and follow the steps, but most of all, have fun while being fit. So, please state your name.
Hi, I'm Rhea.
Hi, I'm Nikki.
Ayun, so tanong ko lang, bakit kayo umaattend nung spin class ko?
First of all, someone na hindi marunong talaga as in sa bike na umaandar. So I love that really the spinning and yung parang wala din siya ng stress after long days of work.
Ako naman as someone as very unfit before, parang I tried finding something that I enjoy. And one of the things na gusto ko talagang gawin is biking. Kasi kahit before pa ako nag-gym, nagbabike na rin ako. Pero as leisure lang, hindi talaga for fitness. So, nung nalaman kong meron class na spinning here, natuwa ako. So, I joined.
So, compared to other spinning class, ano yung masasabi mong difference nung spin class na to, yung ina-attendan nyo?
Sa spinning na to, parang binibigyan kami ng time. Parang every song, may time siya to parang cool down. So, nakakasunod talaga kami sa may instruction mo po, coach.
Yes. At saka maganda yung instruction niyo po, coach. Kasi yung ibang coach sa na-experience ko before, tuloy-tuloy lang sila na walang instruction. Pero yung sa inyo, talagang sinasabi niyo yung instruction all throughout para lahat nakakasunod.
Yan. So, yun yung breakdown. Kasi when you're teaching clients, you have to meet them to where they are, kung anong level sila. Then you gradually progress as a group. So, it's not my fitness journey anymore. It's already our fitness journey. And I'm pleasured to share this fitness journey with you. And I'm always excited and happy to ride with you every Wednesday. And I'm looking forward to more rides to come.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Same, coach.
Cheers.